This is Nikola on the daily chart. And the good news is that price has been range bound for the past 4 weeks. And why is this good news? Well, price has not declined anymore as it sits right above the dollar level at $1.04. However, there is bad news and it's coming from within the company. So there was an article that just announced that the CFO is leaving the company just after 6 months. This is Stacy Pasterick, and she is the third senior leader to depart the company since August. You had the CEO, Michael Lescheller, and the president of energy, Carrie Mendes, both quit in August. Pasterick worked at Nikola under former CFO Kim Brandy. See the theme here? Who retired in April. She was on a team that led Nikola public via a reverse merger with SPAC company Vector Q in June of 2020. Again, she's leaving the company to pursue other opportunities. So former GM Vice President Steve Gursky, who led the SPAC merger as Vector Q managing director and served for 3 years as chairman, became the company's fourth CEO in 4 years. In August, he will oversee financial affairs until the naming of a new CFO. Now, the financials. Nikola faces a range of financial challenges as it launches fuel cell electric trucks this quarter. Cash is tight. Company's stock price closed, like I said, at $1.04, and Nikola is footing the entire $62 million cost of recalling fire-prone battery electric trucks. Company expects to begin returning repaired trucks to customers in the first quarter. Now here's the bad news. Not that they lost $426 million or 50 cents per share in the third quarter. That compared to a loss of $236 million or 54 cents a year ago. This is the issue. Following the recent doubling of authorized shares, Nikola had 857 million outstanding shares compared to just 438 million shares a year ago, meaning that they are raising cash through issuance of more shares, which is diluting current shareholder value. And so, they have to continue to do this until they become profitable. And even when they become profitable, they have to reach a level of economy of scales where they can break even and start making some cash. And so with that said, I don't anticipate the price moving higher, at least in the short run. Now, kind of scrolling out to the monthly chart, price did have a nice run up in the middle of the year, where it went from a low of 50 cents to 350. Again, this might have been on, don't really remember what the news was. I'm not sure if this was a reverse split or not, but what I don't have on the chart, which you can see, is price came into a nice monthly seller's level and then collapsed. Kind of scrolling down to the weekly chart, I have on my chart these levels of interest: $3 support, resistance, resistance; $2 support, support, gonna be resistance. And I mainly have this other band on my chart just for references to the dollar area. That was resistance, support. Now you just got price whipsawing back and forth in this band. All right, what you should note on the daily chart, again, price is range bound. However, the 200-day moving average sits at about $1.45, and that's the line in the sand. Typically, anything below that, you're in a bearish market. Anything above that, you're in a bullish market. So, again, the good news: price has been range bound for the past 4 weeks. The news has not affected the price yet, but I think there's more bad news to come out of Nikola. More so because they're going to need to raise more capital to fund the operations. And this is a stock that I would stay away from for the time being. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.